Hello everyone, I'm Sharon.
And I'm Ben. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I feel great today. And you, Sharon?
I am feeling good, thanks. I woke up early and had a nice quiet cup of coffee. It was a good start to the day.
If you like learning with us, please click the subscribe button for our channel.
Yes, and give this video a like. Sharing it helps our community grow. We often just say, I'm good or I'm okay. But there are so many more ways to say how we feel.
Let's explore these feelings today. Happy. What is something that makes you happy?
Finishing all my work for the day makes me feel happy. That feeling of, okay, I am done is fantastic. I feel excited before the weekend. Or when I am going to try a new restaurant, I feel like I can't wait.
Yes, it's a very positive, forward-looking feeling. It's a great word to use when you have fun plans.
Waking up very early for a meeting makes me tired for the whole day.
We can have physical tired when your legs hurt and mental tired when your brain says, stop now after studying too long.
Now let's see what happens when we haven't had lunch.
Ah, yes. That feeling is hungry.
And if your mouth is dry and you need a drink, you are thirsty.
Water is important. My mouth feels dry if I don't drink.
Back in the studio, let's continue learning about feelings.
It's okay to feel sad. It's a normal part of life.
I feel sad when a friend is sick or has a problem. Or when plans get canceled. It's a little disappointing. I feel angry when things don't work, like a very slow computer.
Or when someone isn't listening, they're looking at their phone. That's frustrating too.
Okay, now let's talk about feelings when we wait or get startled.
I feel bored. Waiting with nothing to do is the definition of bored.
Yes, that waiting room feeling can be tough.
Or when you hear a loud thunderstorm at night, you feel scared.
Your heart beats fast. It's a signal to be careful.
You feel surprised when something unexpected happens, like a friend visiting.
It's a wonderful feeling that catches you off guard.
Back in the studio, let's review everything we learned today.
Now our listeners can say more than just, I'm fine, thanks.
They can say, I'm a little tired today, or I'm excited for the weekend. Feelings change just like the weather. One day it's raining, the next day the sun is shining.
Perfect analogy.
Confidence is more important than perfection when sharing how you feel.
Yes, don't let the fear of mistakes stop you from talking. Let's try using one of these feelings in a conversation.
Okay, I'm feeling excited today because we're at the park.
I feel frustrated when the line is too long at the checkout.
Yes, and sometimes you have to be patient and stay polite.
If you make a mistake, it's okay. People understand.
Just try to use one of these feeling words today.
Practice these phrases, and you will feel more confident.
Confidence grows with use, not perfection.
I'm a little tired today, but I'm excited for the weekend.
That's great. Sharing how you really feel makes conversations more interesting.
Imagine a big dog suddenly runs toward you. You feel scared.
Yes, your heart beats fast and your body tells you to be careful.
You feel surprised when something unexpected happens, like a friend visiting.
It's a wonderful feeling that catches you off guard.
Back in the studio, let's review everything we've learned today.
Now our listeners can say more than just, I'm fine, thanks.
They can say, I'm a little tired today, or I'm excited for the weekend. Practice these phrases, and you will feel more confident.
Confidence grows with use, not perfection. Before you go, we have a question for our listeners. How are you feeling today?
We love reading your comments. It helps us know you better. And please don't forget to subscribe to Speak English Daily and like this video if you learned something new today. I'm Sharon.
And I'm Ben. Keep practicing until next time on Speak English Daily.